Alright guys, so what we're dealing here with is a Samsung 726-7864. So basically with this issue here, you have two fans. The fridge making a loud noise. Once I took it apart and down inside there, it was ice. It was hitting this fan located here. As you can see, there's two fans. There was a little bit of ice buildup, but that was more or less back here. It took about 30 minutes to get the back of this off. As you can see, there's a screw point on this side and also one located over here. At first I thought it was the upper portion of the fridge that was making the noise. There is another section that you can take off on the top side if you're having noise coming from the top of the fridge, but in this situation it was this one. As you can see, there is cable ports here that connect to these right here, so be careful when you're taking this off. You don't want to break those, because then you'd have to replace both the fans and it can get a little bit costly at that point. Some things that you're going to need when you're doing this: obviously a bunch of towels. There's water everywhere. I have a towel here that's soaked as well. Make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver so that you can take the screws apart. And then one of the biggest things that you're going to need here is a blow dryer. The blow dryer just speeds up the process of breaking down the ice, allowing you to take that back off. And as I said, it did take 30 minutes to get that cover off. So don't be too rushed with it. You want that whole entire thing and assembly to come off together. Now on the top one, if you were to take that apart, like I did earlier, but the noise continued, there's a little bit more involved with it. Some of the foam isn't important. If you do end up breaking some of the foam on the top portion, you can use a hot glue gun to fix that. So now that I got all the ice de-thawed, all the water cleaned up, we'll piece it back together and the problem should be fixed. Hope you guys enjoyed this.